auditorium.
Hey! I come around the corner and thought he was a hanging head. He was not a hanging head.
Nope. I need me some legs. I need me some arms.
Let's go. I don't like this. I want to go home.
Come on, babe. Don't be such a wuss.
Where are we going?
You see that old house there?
Yeah?
Let's go inside.
What's going on, everybody? Tyler and Nora enjoying it here at thescarefactor.com, and this is video 3 of 4. Oh yeah!
Look at that.
It's the Persian princess there.
First one's free for everyone.
Oh yeah!
After that, $9.95 plus shipping and handling.
But shipping?
You can ship and handle that all
Oh
you
yeah!
want. I do cash card, EBT, what's your name?
Oh, you'll take it all.
I'll take it all. Yeah, I'll take it. Nice boy.
Getting ripped. So this is video 3 of 4 of our Friday the 13th haunt tour. We're here at the Factory of Terror, Canton, Ohio. Episodes.
Did you see that?
Oh, it's lightning.
Striking twice.
We gotta get inside.
So we're gonna kind of like it. Hi, everybody out there in whatever world.
Right?
Welcome to the Factory of Terror.
Oh.
Halfway to Halloween and you're only getting started. Oh yeah. You buddy, you look like you could use something.
Oh yeah. What are you digging out there?
Yeah, here, just put it in your mouth.
Put it in my mouth.
Just put it in your mouth. There you go, so you can see what it is, folks. There you go. Use it wisely.
Yeah.
Be kind of smart about it.
It's a get out of hell free card. I think we're gonna need it.
Yeah, be smart about it, unlike this idiot.
Right? He wasn't very smart, not for very long. So episodes 1 and 2 of the series were Haunted Town Hall and the Haunted Hydro over in northwestern Ohio. Now we're over in northeastern Ohio, up here around Cleveland, Canton, Akron, Ohio. This is Canton, Ohio for Factory of Terror. And next stop after we leave here is going to be the schoolhouse up in Akron Haunted Schoolhouse. But yeah, for now we are here at the Factory of Terror. It's been actually quite a while since Nora and I have been here. Probably 5-6 years, so probably quite a bit has changed. And we do have permission to take you guys with us through the inside, so that is wonderful. So yeah, let's jump on in here and see what's going on for Friday the 13th here at Factory of Terror.
He done did it now!
Oh, hey, you little pervert. This is the first and last titty you're ever gonna see.
Exactly!
He keeps asking me to touch him and I don't want to. I ain't going to jail. Shut up! Get her, how about you? How about you?
Okay, it never hurts to have one.
Hey, I think you had a slip.
Oh, shit. I just pulled a Janet Jackson.
He's exposed.
Just think, this is what you see before you get inside. It's too expensive to hold up.
Oh yeah.
I got this for you though.
Oh.
I was told you might have a dirty mouth. Take a swig of that.
It tastes like Windex.
Gotta keep your mouth minty fresh.
Right?
Yeah.
Ah! got somebody right here, don't we? Tell me you want to get cooked in the crematorium room. We only like to cook live meat. Yeah, don't you like them? This is my pride and joy.
Well done.
He's extra crispy.
Yeah.
This is the entertainment. Can't wait to see you later.
I come around the corner and thought he was a hanging head. He was not a hanging head. They don't want something getting out.
You know?
We found a scary one. Joanna. That makes sense.
Is it a pixie box?
Yeah. It takes a while.
Sorry about that. What in the bloody hell is that?
It's not a pixie box.
It's a pixie box!
Yeah. Motion.
Everybody, he's got a pixie box!
Hi to the pixie box.
Alright. Alright, go get some hamburgers and some steaks. I think we have some tacos for you, young
Oh,
man.
taco. I like tacos.
Alright.
This is really cool. This is new.
get out of the second haunt, they've got this whole Midway area here. Got some standing tables, a few seating tables. They got a full bar in here. They had a few things here in between the haunts last time we were here, but it was nothing like this. Huge renovations here to the Midway. Very cool. They got some shops here selling all kinds of different trinkets and things. They got some psychic readings. Very cool. Kind of a New Orleans Bourbon Street kind of vibe down here. Very cool.
Unwelcome. Joanna, we're unwelcome. Oh, it's oh, she set on fire. Here, look at the potatoes. Bee! Oh! Ooh, bee! Ooh, bee! Ooh, bee!
Oh, we got a guy over here. I'll tell you what, I could always use some more parts for my projects right here. I need me some legs. I need me some arms. I need a new pair of legs off of this one. Well, I think we got some more coming in right now. Woo!
No. Oh! Oh, yeah. Ready? Fire. Oh. That is terrible. More confined. Oh, look at that.
Hey, this is just here right here. There, what's
He's back again! Yeah, we can't just be giving it away.
already got it twice.
Oh, yeah, we give it to a track.
Just got out of Factory of Terror. An absolutely great show here for Friday the 13th. Not everything was open, but that's to be expected because they've got stuff torn apart and they're getting stuff rebuilt here for the haunt season. But got a really great merch shop there at the end. Overall, very, very happy with all the changes that FOT's done here over the last few years. Looks like a totally different haunt compared to what we remember from before. Now FOT over here, they're a little more on the special effect heavy side compared to some of the ones that you saw earlier here in this series.
There's
But
a few really good scares with some blasts of fog in there.
oh yeah, lots of good pop scares. Actors are pretty interactive still, which is always awesome. The Persian Princess, and I don't know what the other guy's name was out front there.
He gave us a get out of hell for free card.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we're good for now.
They're nailing everybody. We had to use ours in there. But it's actually a really long show too, and especially if he's gonna add one, it's gonna take a while to go through here. Better get here early.
Excellent Midway. They have axe throwing. They have ski rooms.
Oh, the
they
axe
have
throwing, yeah.
a full bar for those like to do those types of things. So when you come out to FOT, it's not just a haunted house. It's everything.
Yeah, you can really spend a whole night here, like with all the gift shops and stuff.
Go
all
to
the
the merch
axe throwing.
store because they have awesome stuff in the merch store.
Yes, we picked up a few things
Yeah.
as well.
Joanna
Threw
picked up a
down in
lot.
the merch store.
She did go down for sure.
I think she got one for her daughter. It says "Future Haunter" on it.
Cute, yeah.
Yeah.
really
It was the last one.
It was the last one. Oh, hopefully they get some more in before somebody watches this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is, once again here, this is video 3 of 4 of our Friday the 13th haunt tour. So make sure to subscribe here to the channel. We got one more coming if it's not already posted yet. We got lots more videos just like this from last haunt season. I think we got 50 videos or so uploaded last year, which was really awesome. And we got a whole bunch more coming up this upcoming haunt season, and you're not going to want to miss them. So stick with us here. We'll see you at the next haunt. Until then, stay scary.
Hey kids, catch!
Why are you touching that?
I throw it.
Yeah, come here! No, right here! No, there! No, throw it this way! We're on camera, throw it here!
I don't care.
It's not a basketball, it's a heart! You know what? She's got so much energy. Here, come here. Here, help me out. Grab that end. You come here. Shut up! You want to jump around? Come on. Come here. All right, jump rope. Ready? Together and jump. Keep going. We don't pick up the pace. Let's see how good those Crocs stay on.
I got this smart mode.
There we go. He's going for a record. That's probably the best one to do it. Wow. How long can he go, folks?
How long can I go?
Whoop. Oh, sorry.
Oh, I'm gonna cry someone.
Hey, wait. Here. Yeah, I'll give you another card. There you go. There's another one. So you got 2 times to get out of hell.
.com